So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape the results from Trustpilot businesses. So if I go to the Trustpilot, like here, you can see I have multiple businesses here and I want to scrape the results into the Excel file. So first of all, I will search something here. Like if I search hotels here, so it will show me all of the hotels result in this Trustpilot. You can see here. So now I will scrap all of these hotels into my software. So this is the software that will be used to scrap the businesses. So I will put like here hotels and I will with the file name where I want to scrap the reviews. I will put how many businesses I want to scrap and number of reviews for each businesses and rating threshold. Okay. So for now, I will just type hotels here because I want to scrap all of these hotels here. They have a lot of reviews, a lot of customers, and they have their businesses information like their WhatsApp number, their email, and everything will be scrapped into our data set. So for now, I will do like hotels here. I will type like final data .xlx. So it will save all of the data there. And I will type like 50 businesses maybe and reviews for each business. Maybe I need 10 reviews and rating threshold can be 2. So it will only scale reviews that are more than 2. Okay. So I mean the rating is more than 2 stars. Okay. So it will skip the negative reviews only. If you want to scrap all the reviews, you can just put it like 1 or maybe you can put it like 0. But I will put 2 here and I need 10 reviews here, I will start the scraping here. So when I click on start scraping button, you see it open the browser and now it's scraping the reviews here. It search the hotel, it will scrap all of the reviews for me and all of the logs will be shown here and it will also scrap in the Excel file. So let's wait for it until it completes. So now it's scrapping. You can see it's showing here. It's scrapping results. So it totally depends on your internet speed. If your internet is good, it will scrap and search the pages very fast and you will get the reviews very quickly. So I will pause a video for a few moments and I will show you how it scraped the results and how it looked like. So as you can see, first it scraped all of the businesses pages and now it's iterating in each page one by one and it will scrap the results like all of the information like reviews, like their information, their website, their WhatsApp number, their email and everything will be there. Okay. So now I will just wait for it until it completes. So it's showing the logs here. You can see it's grabbing this page. So after that, it will show me the Excel file and it will also show the results here in this application. So let's wait for the output and I will resume the video again. So it just got finished and you can see all of the reviews are there. So total number of reviews are 167 and average rating is this one. This average rating means the overall rating for all of these reviews that we just got scrapped. So you can see there are multiple reviews. Also, there are positive reviews 149 and the negative reviews are 18 only. So this is how it data look like. If I scroll horizontally, you can see there is business URL, there is business rank, there is business address, business WhatsApp. So for the first business, there is no business WhatsApp, but if I scroll down, you will see the business WhatsApp as well as the other information like business email, business phone. You can see there. So everything is just there. You can see. So for some business, there's no contact information, but for multiple business, there can be contact information. Okay. So all of these reviews, you can see here phone number, here is the WhatsApp, here is the website, and here is the address as well. So if I scroll down, you can see all of the data and the stars and the exact review, the reviewer name, and everything is there. So business name is also there, and this is the address as well. So if I scroll down, you will see all of the data there. Okay. So I'm just scrolling down, and all of the data just got scrapped in few minutes. You see, there's phone number again, there is email, there is again phone number, this is the address. So if there's information available on the Trustpilot, it will also scrap it. Otherwise, it will skip it. Okay. So if I scroll down, you will see all of the data, all of the scrap data for the reviews. So it just got like, okay, you see again the phone number, again email, and again WhatsApp, again address. Okay. And if I scroll down, so you can see all of the data got scrapped in few minutes. Okay. You will be able to see everything is there. So this is how it works. You can scroll down and you can see all of the information. So currently it scraps reviewer name, review, score, posting date, business name, business website, business phone, business email, business WhatsApp, business address, and also business rank and business URL. So this is how it look like. So if I open the output file like here by clicking it, it will open the Excel file here and you will be able to see all of the information there. Okay. So you can see here there is user, there's feedback, score, date, business name, business website, business phone, and everything is there. Okay. So this is how it works. So there is the business phone, and this is the business email, business WhatsApp, business address, photo, rank. Right now, you can skip the photo because there is no photo on the list buyer, so we can delete this column. Everything else is already there. This rank URL. So all of the information is getting scrapped there. So I just tried for 20 businesses only. Okay, you will be able to try it for 2000 business maybe or 20,000 businesses. It totally depends on your needs. And I also scrapped only 10 reviews per business. You can maybe put 50 reviews per business or how many you want. It totally depends on you. So this is how it works. So if you need any help in setting up this scrapper, you can obviously contact me on my WhatsApp. Here I just got my WhatsApp. You can email me, and you can buy this software from these two options like Patreon or GumRoad. And if I go to Patreon where the software is, so I will be able to show you. So on the GumRoad, it looked like this. So sorry, not this one. I think this one is another. So this is Google Maps Scrapper. If you want that, you can also buy that. But this one is Trustpilot Review Scrapper. If I show you, it look like this. Okay, so this is the Trustpilot Review Scrapper. It's only $55 a month. It will also scrap all of information that you need. And here is everything. It describes the description, but I already explained you everything in the video. So if you want to buy, you can subscribe to this and you will able to get the exe files. And if you need any help, if you need any help with setting up this scrapper, because it will only exe file, you just need to click it and it will open the application like this and you can put the information. It will start scrapping. But again, if you need any help, like if you got any problem, you can message me on my WhatsApp. I already attached here my WhatsApp. You can contact me here. So if you want to buy from here, you need to pay $55 a month. But if you want to go with the other option, that is Patreon. So in the Patreon, you just need to subscribe to my software solution page. Once you subscribe for $55 a month, you will be able to access all of the softwares that I post here. So in $55, you will be able to get all of the softwares that I will post here. So I posted Google Maps Review Scrapper, I posted Trust Pilot Review Scrapper, and now I'm gonna post more softwares here that would be premium, but you will get access all of these softwares in just $55 a month. Okay, so there are two options. Either you can get from Patreon. Okay, in Patreon you will be able to access all of the softwares in just $55 a month. But if you want to get from the Gumroad, you can just pay $55 a month and you can get this software from there as well. So this is how it look like. So if you need any help again, you can message me on my WhatsApp, you can email me, and I will be there. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.